Away they go. Vermont from the outside. Kiss Me, Manila Magic, Santiago Accuracy, and I See Dragon is the early trailer by about 7 or 8 lengths of the leader. Back to the leader, Vermont by a length and a half, followed by Manila Magic in the middle. Alongside Kiss Me, Santiago is racing in fourth by Daryl Accuracy and I See Dragon is still running at the tail of the field. Manila Magic by ahead. Vermont Danori inside. Kiss Me is racing third. And Santiago racing fourth by some 2 lengths. Accuracy is racing fifth by another 2 lengths. And I See Dragon rounding the far turn. Manila Magic. Vermont Danori inside. Kiss Me is racing third by some 2 lengths as they race the final corner. Manila Magic by a length and a half. Vermont Danori inside, opted to run Ori outside, and during the last 200 meters more to run. Manila Magic by a length and a half. Vermont in second. Ori outside is Accuracy Santiago, but Manila Magic by some 3 lengths now. Vermont in second, and finally number 4. Manila Magic, Vermont, Accuracy, Santiago, Kiss Me, and I See Dragons comes last through all the way.
Yado po yun.